I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making Cracker Jacks. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery collective, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. We're just a few weeks past the World Series, and I thought we could extend the fun of the season by making that traditional baseball treat, that amazing amalgam of popcorn, peanuts, and caramel, Cracker Jacks. This is actually going to be much better than what comes out of the box, though, because one, it's going to be fresh, and two, I'm going to suggest some ways you can customize it to your taste. You're on your own for the prize, though. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Cracker Jacks, as well as suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For this recipe, you'll need 11 cups of popped popcorn, which is exactly how much popcorn comes out of this microwavable bag, 150 grams of peanuts, 300 grams of dark brown sugar, 142 grams of unsalted butter, 82 grams of dark corn syrup, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted peanuts, you can leave this out. If you're interested in some variations, you can substitute light corn syrup and brown sugar for dark to give it a lighter taste. I made some like that last week and it was quite good. You can also add a little cayenne pepper if you want to give it a little zing. I haven't tried that one yet. You'll also need a large bowl, a sheet pan, some parchment paper or silpat, a saucepan, a spoon or spatula, and a candy thermometer. Okay, let's make some candy. Pop the popcorn using a microwave, a stove, an air popper, or whatever your favorite method is. Set your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the popcorn and peanuts to the bowl. Don't just pour the popcorn in. That'll add unpopped kernels to the mix, and we don't want that. Let the popcorn cool, then transfer it a handful at a time, making sure you don't pick up any unpopped kernels. Place a saucepan over medium heat and add the brown sugar, butter, corn syrup, and salt. Once the mixture comes to a boil, put a lid on the pan and leave it for a minute or two to wash down the sides of the pan. This reduces the chance of crystallization. Remove the lid and add your thermometer. Cook, stirring gently but frequently until the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the caramel sauce over the popcorn and peanuts. Stir it thoroughly so everything is coated nicely. Spread the popcorn and peanuts evenly in the pan. Put the pan in the oven to bake. Every 10 minutes, remove the mixture from the oven, pour it back into the bowl, mix it, then return it to the pan and the oven. I repeated this 3 more times for a total of 40 minutes in the oven. Your cook time may vary depending on your oven. Remove the popcorn and peanuts from the pan and let it cool completely. And that's it. Okay, this is ready. Let's have a taste. Slancheva. Crunchy, sweet, salty, peanut flavor coming through, caramel to die for. I don't know, once you try these, you may have to start making your own and sneaking it into the stadium. And I'm going to close this episode by referring you to a link in the description below that will lead you to the most delightful baseball-related video the world has ever known. I hope you'll join me next time. That amazing amalgam of popcorn, peanuts, and caramel. That thing that I just missed. Cracker Jacks. Missed it again.